Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreth.
Welcome back to News Watch 12. This morning we have temperatures in the 30s right now to the east of the Cascades, 40s for west side valleys, low to mid 50s along the coast in Curry County. So hopefully most of us can avoid a frosty situation. Okay, for today there's a small chance we could see some showers along the coast, but that is looking like a pretty low wind shot. Elsewhere will be dry and will be about 10 degrees above average for this time of the year. Winds gusting out of the south upwards maybe 20 to 30 miles per hour. Then for tonight, the winds will start to pick up a little bit more, now gusting upwards of 40 miles per hour, specifically for the Shasta Valley. And overnight, we're going to start to see some very light showers, mainly along and west of the Cascades. And we're talking about in the wee hours of the morning. But of course, all this will become much more widespread into the rest of the day on Friday. So let's go ahead and show you that with Stormcast. And this is right around 8 in the morning commute, or maybe you're watching News Watch 12 this morning. Most of this stuff is going to be along and west of the Cascades. And by the time we get to lunchtime, it looks like it's going to be over in Klamath County and then pretty widespread after that. So dinner time on Friday is looking pretty wet, and it's going to be the same thing as we transition into Saturday morning. So here's some of the water totals that we're expecting just for Friday, and there's going to be more for Saturday, and keep that in mind when we show you the snowfall totals in a second. But we're thinking maybe anywhere between an inch to an inch and a half for the Mount Shasta City area, for the Illinois Valley, for the Cascades, and along the coast. So definitely some beneficial moisture from this, and then we will see some snowfall, not very much, at least through Friday, as snow levels are going to be around 6,000 feet for Friday. So here are some of those snowfall totals again just for Friday. We're thinking maybe a trace to a couple inches for some of our Siskiyou County passes, maybe a trace to an inch for our east side passes, and then maybe 1 to 2 inches for our Cascade passes. So not that much at all just for Friday, but here are some of the preliminary estimates for Saturday. And since this is a couple days out, this is subject to change, but we're thinking maybe we could get another 6 to 8 inches up towards Crater Lake. And the winds are probably going to be the biggest impact from Friday and Saturday, as they could gust upwards of 40 to 45 miles per hour in the Shasta Valley and to the east of the Cascades. So we have storm system number 1 for Friday and Saturday, a little bit of a break for Sunday, and then here comes the next series of storm systems from Monday through Wednesday. Snow levels could be between 4,000 to 5,000 feet. So within this time frame, we're expecting maybe another foot to a foot and a half of snow up in the Cascades. So a lot of different aspects of the forecast to track over these next 7 days. Here's a 7-day forecast for the coast. A lot of rain in the forecast, especially for Friday and Saturday, rain and thunderstorms. Then for Siskiyou County, dry for today, winds picking up into tomorrow and for Saturday, and we could see some snow mixing in, but mainly for elevations above 4,000 feet starting on Saturday morning. Then for the Basin, dry for today, a chance of showers for tomorrow, then some snow mixing in mainly above 4,000 feet for Saturday. Then for the Cascades, one final day of taking away from the snowpack, then we'll start to add back to it on Friday. And then for the Rogue Valley, one more day of dry and mild conditions, but that's certainly going to change in Friday.